we got one last thing we need to do before we're ready to hand this game in, and that's make Scratch be able to get points as he moves around the page here. Now you're going to do this with your race cars. I'm just going to use Scratch here to get some points. So right now you can see I just have Scratch set up to move. Now I want, when he touches this other sprite, to get points. Now I can have it be anything I want. I can have him touch colors or multiple sprites, but I'm just going to show you how right now. When he touches another sprite, he gets points. So first thing I'm going to do is come with the variables. And when you click on variables, you go to make a variable. And I'm just going to call this player 1. So this means that player 1 will be getting some points. At this point, you'll see now that these other options opened up. So what I want to say now is if Scratch touches sprite 2, he will get some points. So here's how you do it. We'll come over here to our if statement that we've used before. Go over to sensing, and you probably have an idea what I'm going to do. I'm going to touching sprite 2. Now we go back to the variable we just made, and we want it to change player 1's score by 1 point every time he touches that sprite. Okay, and I want this to happen over and over again, so we all know that that should be a forever loop. Now with that done, we should be ready to go. I'll click the green flag, and if I can just get Sprite to touch that, you saw he got 40 points. The reason he got 40 points is that for every second he touches it as he goes through, he gets a point for as long as he's touching it. So if he was to just touch it like with the tip of his toe, you know, so he only gets points as he's passing through it. If we took that out of the forever loop, he would just probably get 1 point as he hit it and then moved on. But you know, that's okay for me. We can maybe make that part of the game. The longer your car can stay touching something, maybe you'll get more points. You can design it in any way you want, but that's the basic idea of how to use a variable to get your sprite to gain points. Have fun with this. You can make your game do anything you want. You can have good monsters flying around that they touch points and improve their score, and you can have bad monsters out there where you put a minus here that they touch and they get sent back to start and lose points. So this is just something to add a little bit something different to your game. Have fun with it. Good luck and take care.